So one goat down.
Good eating. Got to take this tail off for the comp, just right at the base there, straight through there. And that's enough.
We're going to go and see if we can get a few goats for the 2025 National Comp. I'm on a hunting trip with some fellow NZDA volunteers, Courtney, and National President Callum. So it's going to be an exciting day, we'll see what we can see. We're at an old spot of mine. I used to hunt when I was getting into it and used to find goats up here. Beautiful spot, some nice slips, and also a bit of beech forest and grass and region. So we'll see how we go. We'll see if there's anything out feeding today. We had a bit of rain over the last couple of days, and the sun and the blue sky is peeking out, and that's the kind of time when the deer and the goats like to be out feeding. So what makes the NZDA cool to be a part of? Why'd you guys join?
I think it's just incredible to be part of the NZDA. I think mainly the liability insurance is a huge plus, and just the opportunity to get involved in all the competitions, meet lots of people, just get out there.
First river flat, bit of sign. Now we just got to find a goat or a deer.
There's heaps of footprints in the sand there.
Bit of sign, fresh sign, eh?
Yeah. Got a dog up here too. That's pretty good.
Just stopped here having a lunch break. So far we're seeing no goats and no deer.
Heard one.
Heard a few goats. Just seen our first goats on the slip over there. And we're hearing the calling in the bush too, so we're in the right zone now. Classic goat country, just steep little slips and clearings. Guys are just coming up the side of the hill here, surrounded by bellbirds and tuis.
Goats.
Yeah, that's what I saw from here. I was like, what's that?
I'm gonna sneak up in there. We won't get there in 2 hours though.
I won't go far away.
Right, we just found a goat, guys. Have you guys got your earplugs? Callum and I were just mate to the little goat. It's the only shootable goat we've seen all day, and we were down on the edge, 117 metres there, and it was just looking at us in the scrub. So one goat down.
Good eating.
There you go.
Not that old. Yeah. Got a curry on the back steaks, back legs. Got to take this tail off for the comp, just right at the base there, straight through there. And that's enough. 2025 National Goat Hunting Competition. Take the tail, take it to your local NZDA branch or hunting and fishing, and get it counted. Get a few of these and you go in the draw each time. So all we got to do is take the tail off, see how sharp the knife is. There we go. That's it. One entry to the 2025 National Goat Hunting Competition. Just a final word of the day. We've been on a Gwyn Thurlow wet bush tour all day. We finally dropped down out of the wet bush into the front country and found some goats. So here we are with goat number 2 of the day on the way home. Another one taking out the herd, and we'll whip its tail off and be able to enter that into the competition as well. Good luck to everybody competing in this year's National Goat Hunting Competition. Remember, you can enter your tails at any NZDA branch on their open days or any New Zealand hunting and fishing store. So we better whip this off to enter in the competition. Important to have a sharp knife too.